Listen, this sound keeps ringing. Now this one. Gone in a flash. Same key, same note. Only one thing changed. Its length. This is duration. The time a sound lasts. It begins the instant a sound is born. It ends when the last vibration fades to silence. Long, short, or anywhere in between. Now you take control. Press a key and keep it down. The sound rings on and on. Strike it again and let go at once. You decide how long every note lives. Quick check. Which sound lasts longer? The first one or the second one? The first one kept ringing while the second one stopped short. Every instrument treats time differently. A violin stretches one note into a long singing line. A drum speaks in a short burst, gone at once. Duration gives each voice its character. Step back. Sound has 4 properties and you have now met 2. Pitch says how high or low. Duration says how long. Intensity and timbre are waiting for you. Now hear duration become music. Listen to this famous opening. 3 short strikes, then 1 long cry. With nothing but long and short, Beethoven opened his 5th symphony. Count them again. For notes, 3 short, 1 long. That tiny row of durations became the most recognized moment in the history of music. Now chain durations into a row. Short, short, long. Short, short, long. You already know this song, Jingle Bells. 1 single note, nothing but long and short, and it is already music. Listen. Your turn. Clap once short, then hum 1 long, steady note. Remember, duration is how long a sound lasts, you control it, and chains of long and short make music move. Next up, 1 note can whisper or thunder. Where does that power live? See you there.